Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So I love doing videos on bicycles and BMWs. That's why my channel is called Ivan's Bikes and BMWs. But today for you guys, I have the bill here. How much would it cost to fix that EPC light on your Volkswagen? So let me give you a little introduction here before I go any further here. Um, I usually do the videos on the BMWs and as well as my bikes, but recently I acquired the Volkswagen, and you guys that own the EPC light, I mean the Volkswagen, you know that EPC light can come on, it can give you quite a bit of headache, and you guys that have the BMWs, this video is gonna relate exactly the same because to fix this problem on a BMW is gonna cost the same. So both of you wanna watch this and relate from there. Oh, by the way, this I will include the video down there how to carefully approach this problem and get the car diagnosed before you come to the dealer, which is right here, and shell out all this money that I'm gonna show you, which is hiding right here. And let's get into it right now. Okay, so I took my car to the Richmond Hill Volkswagen. Richmond Hill is just north of Toronto, and when my EPC light came on, I took my car right there. And let's just show you over here what I'm talking about. See, there's a client reports EPC light has come on a few times, and just to break it down here, I'm gonna kind of scream quickly to it because I want to make this short as much as I can and straight to the point. There's gonna be $120 plus tax diagnosis fee. This not gonna get covered under the warranty. Now let me recap quickly. I have the bill here, which the service manager carefully jotted down here, and this repair was covered in the warranty. But I went down to the counter desk just to get an idea from them how much would it cost, and politely asked them to jot it down for me so you guys can benefit and learn something from it. So let's continue here so they can see what they have performed on the car and how much they charged me. And this is the part when it gets really tricky here. They have noticed here that on a cylinder number 2, pressure is too much. So what that means that they have to replace fuel injector and the seals on my lovely MK7. So this repair bill over here, if it matters to you, was performed on my lovely MK7 Golf. And here we go. So they have to do the labor, which is about 4 hours, and at the same time they have to replace my injectors. So you guys that own the BMWs, you guys will know that there is no EPC light on a Beamer, but guess what? When you have to replace your injectors, the check engine light will come on because your injectors are pretty much toast. So let's get into this right now and show you how this bill is going to be breaking down. So if you guys don't have the warranty, luckily in my case this was covered under warranty, but this is going to be the first thing that's going to hurt quite a bit. There's going to be $120 for the diagnosis down there, and there's going to be $4 labor fee for the labor. So let's move this over here and let me show you carefully what I'm talking about. So $120 diagnosis, and then 4 hours of labor will be $500. And then the set of seals and ejectors will be $500. So here we go. Let's add up that quickly, and we get to the number which is 1120. So keep in mind I'm in Toronto, Canada, so there's gonna be another 15%, 13% tax. So if you really see what is this coming to, they're gonna push this to the mark, which is about 1300 Canadian. For you guys down in the States, knock off 25% and you're gonna get that number in American dollars. So 1300 Canadian with the tax, this is before the tax, will come out to about 850, 900 American. So for you guys in the States, that's gonna be the price that you're gonna pay down there. And I'm pretty sure the quotes for the labor, 1 hour of labor, are pretty spot on. Everything is the same down there because I keep checking your quotes, I keep checking your labor rates, so everything is the same. So this video over here, like I said, is going to be for you guys that to take this problem seriously and just to show you how quickly the dealer will empty your pockets. and I was lucky enough that the repair was covered under the warranty. But for you guys that have this problem and that the car is out of service, this is going to be the bill that you guys are going to be facing. So I hope you found this useful. Like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you found this useful, and see you in the next one. Take care and have a lovely day. Bye bye.